Hi, I'm Rochelle. I am the mother of the mother-daughter owners of Gdiva's Secret Wigs. And in this video, I want to share about high-quality synthetic wigs and toppers. If you are a beginner to wigs and you want to jump in, but you're nervous, you have questions, I'm going to answer a lot of those beginning questions right now. So, how do you like my hair? Pretty cute, right? So this is a Gdiva Secret wig. The name is Rochelle of this wig because it's the way my hair used to be when it was thick and perfect. So this is a machine-teased wig. That means that there are little hairs up on the top that even after you shampoo and condition your wigs, you let them drip dry, the style will come right back, and so will the lift because of the machine teasing. So right now I just want to show you with a machine teased wig, or most of them, you can part it any way you want. And if you want bangs on a wig, you can trim it. Very easy. And we have over 600 videos on YouTube, so you can go step by step with my daughter Danielle or myself as we show you exactly how to trim length, thin a wig, even make a wig larger, make it smaller. But let's get back to the basics of wigs. So I'm going to take it right back here. So a machine teased wig, you do not want it super flat. And if you're a woman that has thinner hair, remember that this is pretty much a normal head of hair. So just because you're not used to it doesn't mean you won't enjoy having some more hair. So it's a great way to start with a machine teased wig. Now, I secure mine, most of my wigs, with just a bobby pin on each side. There are many ways to secure your wigs, and we have a video called 8 Ways to Secure Your Wigs, with the most popular ways, whether you have lots of hair, curly hair, fine hair, and even no hair. There are specific ways. And I started Gdiva Secret in 1997. We are actual wig wearers, so we know what we're talking about. So when Danielle and I write blogs or make videos, we are speaking from experience and working with hundreds of thousands of women around the world. So just to show you for a minute, I'm a blonde, if you didn't know me, and our wigs are open-wefted, so you can put your fingers all through this wig. Let me just show you. And your scalp can breathe. Can you see my nails? So very light. Typically our wigs are about 2 ounces, a little more, or even a little lighter. We carry low density wigs if you want a real flat, thin wig. And then let me show you Monroe. And this is how easy a wig is to put on. Up at your hairline, hold the little ear tabs, make sure they're even. And once they're even, you just style and you go. Isn't Monroe cute? So I'm showing you different colors. The old thinking about wigs are, I want one wig and I'll have it for life. But that is barely scratching the surface of the magic of wigs. So for me, wearing wigs over 45 years, I love to dress and wear colors and styles that help all the women in me express themselves, because it's so much fun and freeing. And if it's hard for you to believe that women will have wig and topper wardrobes, then you've got to join our Facebook group. It's called Gdiva's Secret Wig Community, and it's on Facebook. Many women go to Facebook only to join our group, with thousands of women on it, posting photos, asking questions, and learning, and you're not going to feel alone, no matter the reason you're trying wigs. So I showed you a machine teased wig, and now I want to show you what a lace front wig looks like. At Godiva's Secret, you don't have to cut the lace and you don't glue the lace down, all right? So, by the way, we carry no human hair wigs because to us, they're typically way too thick. They need expert styling and trimming and coloring. They're just not convenient. And for the price of one human hair wig, you could have many, countless, high-quality synthetic wigs. So, this wig is Diana. I'm going to show you how I put it on. So I'm turning the wig upside down. There's our label. And there are sizers, double reinforced sizers, on the back bottom of every wig. So all I'm doing is I'm holding at the edge of each sizer and I'm dipping my head in. I'm not trying to get the wig right at my hairline. My goal is about the middle of my forehead, and that way I can reach and stretch. See how I can stretch the wig, tuck my hair in if I have hair. So when I'm first looking, you're going to think it's silly, but this is where you start. Slowly up to your hairline. Now this is a lace front wig. This is what lace front means. Watch my hairline change. Right up to your hairline. And then you still even the temples. So if you're a woman that wants to wear your hair off your forehead, a lace front wig is terrific. A little more expensive than machine-teased because there is more work done on the wig. And also you can just bring some bangs down if you like. Another tip, we sell our brushes. They are terrific. Commit one brush for your wigs and toppers, and do not mix the brushes that you use on your own hair with brushes you use on wigs and toppers, because the brush with your own hair has your hair dirts and oils. We want to keep the wigs as clean as possible so you don't have to wash them as often as you would if they get dirtier quicker. So this is Diana wig. We do amazing, beautiful gray shades. Still beautiful and sexy. There's no reason because your hair is going gray, you have to start feeling invisible and wearing less makeup. Maybe you're starting to feel a little frumpy. No, we don't have to do that. You could look any way you want and feel still beautiful and sexy in any color wigs you want. So this is Diana. Again, only high quality synthetic. They don't frizz, and when you wash our wigs, they dry the way you bought them. We also have been carrying our own brand of Godiva's Secret shampoos, conditioners, and low alcohol hairsprays. You never use regular hairspray on a high quality synthetic wig or any wig, or even your hair if it's delicate or fragile. So this is great. I use it on my own hair too. Lower alcohol content means less drying to the fibers. And great to know, our shampoos, conditioners, and hairsprays come in a beautiful scent. And also, if you're sensitive or someone in your home is sensitive to fragrances, we offer unscented. So that is something great most companies don't offer. And they smell so good. Oh, you've got to have a smell here. Oh, it's very clean and fresh, and just love it. So shampoos and conditioners, we've got you set with everything you will need. So let's say you want to fringe this up a little bit more, or maybe you were wearing a nubby fabric, and it's easiest on high quality synthetic if you wear slippery fabrics like satins or polyesters versus nubby fabrics or fabrics that cling like furs or cottons or linens. Those will grab a little more. And if you're driving in your car or as you're walking around, we're constantly moving our heads. sometimes the fibers of the hair will grab onto the fibers of your clothes if they're not slippery. So we suggest absolutely no heat, no curling irons, no blow dryers, nothing like that except this one item that we do sell on our website, GdivaSecretWigs.com. And this is our 1-inch hot air brush. It's got two powers, low and high. So the trick is, and it's very easy, I work only on high, and I keep the brush moving, and if I want more of a curl, I get my finger in the groove. So let's say right here, I want a little curlier, rounder bang. I put my finger in that little area, but keep it moving. I don't hold the heat on any part of a wig because you can tell right away. So just keep it moving, keep it rounded, and you'll smooth it. And it's just a great, easy item. To me, this is a must. If you're going to be wearing wigs, even on shorter wigs, you want a little height or a little curl, you use this baby on it. You're going to love it. So do wigs look natural? I'm hoping you're going to say yes after I've now put 3 wigs on. These are Godiva's Secret wigs, and every wig I'm showing you in the one color I'm putting on, every style comes in many colors, beautiful colors, some with darker roots for that youthful root look, and some do not. So on our website, you will see colors, you will see sizes. We offer average and then large and petite. And if you're wondering what size you are in a wig, on the homepage of our website, go to the top bar where it says New to Wigs. And there is so much valuable information under there. If you are brand new, please educate yourself and join our Facebook group, because those 2 things are going to give you the confidence to really make some great choices. All right, so let's talk about toppers for a minute. This is a see-through scalp. It's called monofilament. And the mono means one. Hair by hair by hair is put into this area. You want a monofilament if you want a totally flat look that you do not want to tease. So these clips, they rock back and forth. If you're doing it yourself, let me show you this way. I'm holding the back, rock it together, your thumbs together, and then separate your thumbs. And because we know these in other companies can just have the metal, we have a rubber gripper underneath. So when you lock your hair in, your hair is going against the rubber gripper, and it's much more gentle on your hair. So if you're going to put a topper on, unclip the clips, hold it and flip it over, and just clip it right there. You don't want to push it back. I want it to end up right at my hairline. And when I think I've got it where I want it, did you hear the snap? So my hair is pulled back right now, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what a mono top is going to look like. So see where it's flatter. Now, if this is great and it's what you want, except it's a little too long, take it to a hairdresser and have it trimmed. And we also do offer all different lengths and styles and colors of toppers. Some are mono or monofilament, and then some are machine teased, like this wavy top plus. So we carry toppers that are thinner that will just brush and add to your hair. And then we carry our Top Plus. We offer a smooth Top Plus, and this is our wavy. And the difference of these is it's got 10 extra wefts on the bottom to give you that added fullness. So it almost doesn't matter what length your hair is. So I'm unclipping the top just to show you. Flip it over, and I'm going to place the center in the center first. Before I ever clip the back on a topper, I want to make sure that I like the front. I like exactly where it is. So these are all my wigs and toppers I'm showing you. And even if you brush this, it's not ever going to look super frizzy. And the beauty of our pieces, curlier or smoother, like I mentioned before, is when you shampoo them and condition them, typically once for every 10 to 15 wearings. You're going to wash it, let them drip dry in your shower, and they're going to dry the way you bought them. So this Wavy Top Plus is going to dry with these curls, with the bangs not frizzed, just how you see it. Okay, so here's the back. And I'm going to pull my hair out just so you can see what this really looks like. So my hair is shorter, and it's wet right now, so it doesn't blend in perfectly, but I want to give you a feel, okay? So from here, if you've always wanted an updo, you could just put it up and with a big clip. Pull a few pieces down, and you've got a really cute look. Or ponytails. There's so many things you can do with wigs and toppers. The longer they are, the more options that you have. Okay? So these are some of the ideas to get you started. We've got a great blog that's called Wigs, the Beginner's Guide, and it will share more with you. But thank you for watching me now and letting me share my passion of wigs with you. Okay, remember that we have our Facebook group, Gdiva's Secret Wig Community. Thousands of women are respectful, classy, loving, and supportive for each other. And what's more important than not feeling alone when you're on a new journey? And wigs are your new journey, we hope. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Okay, bye.